Good afternoon everyone. So, dito na yun ngayon sa DC Auto Works. We're gonna go to the nearest Toyota na Casa to get our new Tamaraw FX. So, straight from Casa, we're gonna bring it to the shop and then we're gonna modify it to our acquired taste na gusto natin. Some minor changes lang. DC performance and enhancement. Sa riding comfort, number 1, stance, number 2, and then sa total looks ng unit natin. So, we're gonna have this mini vlog all the way to the Casa, and then we're gonna take the unit and bring it back here sa shop. So, thank you everyone. Stay tuned. Using our company car, sponsored by Engineer Kim Nilos, and shout out to Engineer Kim. So we're driving right now, going to the we're going right now sa Casa, which is just near to our shop. So this si Project Tam, let's call him Tam na lang. So si Project Tam natin is, nakalimutan ko ng kulay yung kinuha. Basta si Project Tam, his main purpose is like more of a company truck na syempre kakakargahan, drop side po siya. So kakakargahan ng mga multiple product lines natin. Gonna use him for our deliveries ng mga e-bikes, e-cards, ayan. So, and many more, from bikes, even from the tires, from DC Auto Works. So, workhorse talaga yung purpose niya. So, we're gonna modify it accordingly sa purpose niya. Actually, there's a lot of parts na pagsiset up nito. We're gonna do a lot of modifications with it, step by step. So we already have some custom kits na ready na for him. So stay tuned na lang sa mga new prospects or new updates sa kay Tam afterwards ng setup natin. So thank you everyone. Good afternoon everyone. So dito na yung tayo sa Toyota Iloilo. We're gonna Bayan 3. Dito yung may-ari. So we're gonna get the Tamaraw FX dealership. Okay. Thank you everyone. Pasok tayo. So heto yung Tamaraw FX. Sorry. Yung Tamaraw, they're selling it for, ito with accessories, around 95,000. 1.75 sa drop side na automatic. So if automatic, wala kayong upuan sa gitna. Ayan. And the size of this one, stock size 16s. They're running 16s to 1.65, 16. So chassis wise, I'm not sure kung same talaga sa Hilux, but the body mount looks like the same. So heto yung manual. So yung manual, pwedeng upuan ng 3. Pag maliit yung isa, ito nga naka-max na oh. So, ito yung mga Tamaraw nila. This one is the close span. Ito naka-max na po siya. Ayan. And then, if you can see, yung body mount niya and everything is parang same sa Hilux. Pero wala silang 4x4 model dito eh. 4x2 lang, everything. Ayan. So, Pwede, maraming pwedeng gawin dito. We can do a conversion kit. Pwede tayong gawin LC70. Sky's the limit yung pwede natin gawin dito sa Tamaraw. Ayan. So, just like what Sir said, dual aircon yung mga ganitong type nila. And then, yung sa Matic, upgraded yung headlight. Unlike neto, na basic yung headlight. Ayan. And yung Matic natin, naka-mags na. Yung accessories nila is around 95k daw. So mas may mga konting attraction lang yung loob ng automatic actually. Ayan. Hi, ito po yung owner talaga. Bali ako nakikiano lang. Nakikukulit. Ayan. So we're gonna put exhaust, wheels and tires. Just gonna level out a bit yung front end ng suspension ng car. Konting leveling lang. Para ang ganda yung stance. And then mags and tires, exhaust, some DTE pedal box. Ano pa, mga minor accessories lang. Busina, of course. And then we're gonna fit 31s if kaya. Ayan. 31s. So, actually parang naka-lift block nga eh. Sorry, lift block. Parang naka-body blocks yung yung likod. Parang nakakalso eh. Tignan mo. Ayun. So we can modify it, we can make it a bit higher if they want to. Ayan. Para hindi siya tumangat. So good afternoon guys. Bakal na. Finishing lang yung paperworks. Finishing lang ni Madam yung paperworks. And then we're gonna get the unit. Andun lang daw sa car wash bay nila. Ma'am, din ganun yung car wash bay ah. Dito sa punta. Sige. Malapit naman lang. Oo. Sige. Medyo malapit na lang daw. So, we're waiting for the car, for the unit. And then, we're gonna get it straight to the shop. Sadly at the moment, wala akong cameraman. So, DIY muna. So, watch out guys. And, hello Tam. First time ko mag-name sa car. So, wala lang. Trip lang. So guys, ito yung brochure, pamphlet. Brochure na niya. So, gawang Pinoy yung Tamaraw wala eh. So they have like parang GR design, which have a wide flares. And parang mas wide flare siya. So it has a 2GD FPV, which is what they use on base model ng mga Fortuner and saka Hilux. Same thing. So yung kinuha natin, which is the drop side option. Ayan. So utilitarian use talaga yung mga drop side. Then they have a lot of options to choose from. Meron din silang parang van. Ayan. Van type, SWB. Sadly, they don't have the 4x4 option dito sa Philippines. And then, if you can see here, they have the TGM setup, which is the camping van. So we are an exclusive dealer of TGM also. So we have all of the stuff that you see sa DC Autoworks. So that's it. Tamaraw. Guys, another day, another gastos.
Another day, another car, another gastos.
Tam-tam. Tam-tam-tam. Tam-tam-tam. Ayan. So we're gonna check. Malamig bang yung aircon? Wala na tayong fuel, guys. Get fuel ba?
Yeah,
Sige, check ko. Ayan. So, magpapa-fuel tayo mamaya sa Caltex. Ayan, Caltex Digital. It's a 2.4 engine. We're gonna get you a nice engine cover, some filters. Ito yung engine niya. This is a 2.4, the engine. So this is a 2GD, if I'm correct. 2GD FTV. It's a base model car. That's what you get.